Hello students of class 9th, welcome back to another video. Myself Vijay Kumar Sharma. This video is for you, so watch it carefully, and if you have some important, then pause the video and note it in your notebook. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe, hence you get a quick notification of my new video. So let's get started. Chapter 6, Lines and Angles. First topic is line. What is a line? A line is a simple geometrical shape that extends in both the direction. It has no end point. It is denoted as like this. Types of lines. Number first, straight line. If we use scale to construct a line, then line is straight line. It is shown as. Number second, zigzag line. If a line has any curve, then this line is called zigzag line. It is drawn frequently. It is shown like this. Another one is line segment. It is a part of a line and it has two endpoints. It is denoted as like this. And length of line segment is denoted as like this. The next topic is ray. A line which has only one endpoint is called ray. It is denoted as like this. Students, if three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. The next topic is angle. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. Rays are called arms of the angle and endpoints is called vertex of the angle. The angle is denoted by the symbol as like this. This is shown as, for example, if ray OA and OB are originate at O just like this, then this angle is denoted as angle O or angle AOB or angle BOA. The next one is type of angles. Number first, acute angle. An angle which measures are between 0 and 90 degree, it is called acute angle, as like this. Number second, obtuse angle. An angle which measures are between 90 degree and 180 degree. It is called obtuse angle, as like this. Number third, right angle. An angle of 90 degrees is called right angle, as like this. Number 4, straight angle. An angle of 180 degrees is called straight angle, as like this. Number 5th, reflex angle. An angle which measures are between 180 degree and 360 degree is called reflex angle, as shown like this. Number 6, complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles, such as 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary angles. Number 7, supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles, such as 120 degree and 60 degree are called supplementary angles. Number 8, adjacent angles. The angles which have common vertex is called adjacent angles, as shown like this. Here, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles, and angle AOC equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC obviously. Number 9, linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree is called linear pair of angles, as shown. Number 10, vertically opposite angles. If two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O, then opposite interior angles are called vertically opposite angles, as shown like this. Here, angle AOD and angle BOC are the pair of vertically opposite angles, and angle AOC and angle BOD are another pair of vertically opposite angles. Students, vertically opposite angles are always same. The next topic is parallel and non-parallel lines. After producing two lines are meet at any point, then these lines are called non-parallel lines. And if these lines are not meet at any point, then these lines are called parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines is always same, as shown like this. Another one is corresponding angles. If a transversal line cut two parallel lines, then one pair of exterior and interior angles of one side is called corresponding angles. They are always same, as shown like this. Next topic is alternate angles. If a transversal line intersect two parallel lines, then opposite interior angles are called alternate angles, and they are always same also, as shown like this. The next topic is interior angles. An angle which construct in interior area of a closed figure is called interior angles. This is shown as. Another one is exterior angle. An angle which construct in exterior area of a closed figure is called exterior angle, as like this. The next topic is measurement of an angle. An angle is measured in degree and radian, and relation between degree and radian is pi radian equal to 180 degree. Degree is denoted as like this and radian is denoted like this. So that's all for today, students. Hope you enjoyed learning. If you want more videos, then don't forget to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. We will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Goodbye. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss math related videos.